Hi there, it's James Scott, the Scottish Resistance. Today we're up in Argyll, we're looking over Loch Goil. It's just over there, Loch Goil. And here we have Carrick Castle. Now, in 1563, Mary Queen of Scots stayed in Carrick Castle. The body of Mary Queen of Scots now lies in Westminster Abbey. And it's about time we did something about retrieving the body of Mary Queen of Scots and getting it repatriated to Scotland. In earlier times, Carrick Castle was held by the English way back in 1307. But Robert the Bruce, in the spring of 1307, with a body of his men, come up this road, attacked the castle and retook it for Scotland. This was the start of the resistance led by Robert the Bruce to win back Scotland's freedom. After he took Carrick Castle, he retook many other castles and then went on to fight in the Battle of Bannockburn in 1314, where the Scots were victorious and re-won our independence. Never forget Robert the Bruce and the great things he done for Scotland. So as I say, here we are in this beautiful location, Loch Goil there in the background and Carrick Castle. It's partially a ruin now, but about half of it still stands. Thank you very much.